This question asked, out of the four graph given below, which graph shows the proper relation between lambda, that is wavelength, and p, that is momentum? So we know, according to de Broglie's, lambda is inversely proportional to 1 upon p. What is p? Momentum. That means with increase in p, there will be decrease in lambda and vice versa. Okay. So which of these graphs shows the inversely proportional relation? The graph is graph A and C. But in this case, the fall will be not linear. It will be rectangular hyperbola. Okay. So the graph will be rectangular hyperbola, which is option C.